Good morning, everyone, and Miss Anis. Today, we are going to present our professional telephone roleplay. The situation, our group is situation 9, internship application status. My name is Raja Nuliana, as Human Resources Assistant. My name is Nur Airin Zulaika, as a applicant. Can we start? Hello, good morning. Human Resources Department. This is Liana speaking. How may I help you today? Hello, good morning. My name is Irene. I recently applied for an internship position at your company. I am calling to ask about the status of my application. Certainly, Miss Irene. Could you please provide your application reference number? Yes, my application reference number is INT 2026. Thank you. Please hold for a moment while I check your application. Of course, thank you. Thank you for waiting. I have found your application. It is currently under review by our recruitment team. Oh, I see. May I know when I can expect an update? We expect to complete the review process within next 2 weeks. Thank you for the information. Internship program. May I ask a few questions about the internship program? Of course, please go ahead. How long is the internship program? The internship program lasts for 3 months. Will intern be assigned to specific department? Yes, intern will be assigned according to their field of study and the company needs. I am studying early childhood education. Are there any department related to my course? Yes, we have department related to education, training, and community programs. That sounds interesting. Many interns find the experience useful and beneficial for their future careers. I hope I can gain valuable experience during my internship. I'm sure you will. Will there be an interview before the final selection? Yes. Shortlist candidate will be invited for an interview. Will the interview be conducted online or face-to-face? It can be either online or face-to-face depending on the situation. How long do the interview usually take? Usually around 20 to 30 minutes. What kind of question will be asked? Mostly question about your study, strengths, and reason for applying. I understand. Thank you. You're welcome. Do I need to prepare additional document? Please make sure your resume, academic transcript, and university confirmation letter update. I have already submitted those documents. It's good. Should I bring printed copies to the interview? Yes, it is always a good idea to bring extra copies. Thank you for the advice. My pleasure. Yes. May I know the working hours for intern? The working hours are from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Do intern work on weekend? No, intern usually work only on weekday. I understand. We intern receive any training? Yes, all interns will attend an orientation session during their first week. What will be covered during the orientation? Intern will learn about company policy, workplace rules, and their responsibilities. That sounds helpful. We want intern to feel comfortable and prepared. Do the company provide any allowance for interns? Yes, selected intern is a monthly allowance.
Sorry, for the new we did not give it any allowance.
Sorry for the company internship. Okay, allowance. Thank you for the information. Will intern be evaluated during the internship? Yes. Yes, supervisor. Yes. Yes, I like to. Yes, supervisor will evaluate intern based on their performance. What aspect are evaluated? Attendance, teamwork, communication skill, and responsibility. Thank you for the explaining. My pleasure. Before I end the call, thank you very much for the answering all my questions today. You are most welcome. I'm glad I could assist. The information you provide has been very helpful. I'm happy to hear that. I appreciate your patience and your time. It was my pleasure assisting and you. I look forward to hearing from your company soon. We will contact you when there is any update regarding your application. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. You too. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye. Okay, that's all.